It's nearly Mother's Day, so we thought we'd show your children how to make some really easy cards.
So we've got one with a detachable rosette.
We've got one that's a little cactus for those plant mamas out there.
And we've got one that's a lovely weaved heart.
So keep watching and we'll show you how to make them.
For the cactus card you'll need green, pink and brown felt, green and black embroidery thread, white seed beads, white thread, googly eyes, coloured pens, a necklace and a jump ring, and some glue. For the rosette card you'll need glue, craft foam and a brooch bar. For the weave card you'll need coloured card, a selection of ribbons, sticky tape and coloured pens. To make the cactus necklace, use the template to cut out 2 cactus shapes from green felt and 3 small flowers from pink felt. Stitch on a smile, then sew seed beads on for the prickles. Place the 2 cactus shapes together and stitch all the way around the edge. This is called whip stitch. Glue on some googly eyes and the little flowers. Stitch a jump ring onto the back so that you can thread the pendant onto a necklace. Cut a plant pot shape from brown felt, making sure it's bigger than the cactus, and glue this to the card, leaving the top open. Cut slits in the top of the card so that you can hang your necklace. Finally, add a little message to the front of your card. For the rosette, use the template to cut out the shapes and letters from craft foam. Glue them together like this and add the letters on top. Add a brooch back to the back of the foam, then pin it to the front of the card. For the ribbon weaving, cut a square of card that is about 1 centimetre smaller on each side than the card blank. Add a border along one edge of the card, about 5mm from the edge. Then draw 1 centimetre lines all the way along the card. Cut the lines up to the border. Cut ribbons to the length of the card, then weave them in like this. Go under and over in the opposite way each time. Keep going until you've filled up the card. Tape the ends to seal and trim the card to size. In pencil, add your message to the front and then draw a large heart in the middle. Cut the heart out, then tape the weaving inside the card. Add your message in pen, then rub away any pencil marks to finish.
So there we have it, how to make 3 quick cards for Mother's Day.
There are loads more ideas on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, so check those out if you want lots of ideas for Mother's Day.
Thanks for watching.